CURR stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Just observing CURRENC Group stock, we're sitting at $3.95 with a crazy performance of around 182% up. What's my next pass on this? And it was pretty obvious here, you know, I have lines pointing towards the upside, but I also add this big waiting sign here, and I'll show you right now why it says why it's waiting. You know, I've done 34,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars in courses, mentorships, documented everything. The only reason that will make me buy is a clean shift right now. This is like obviously very optimistic, but unless I see this shift, like this thing here, there's just no goddamn way that I'll pull the trigger in this. And I mean, I've done this mistake so many times, like so frequent as well. But it's, yeah, like I've been through the resources, you know, burned through my resources to learn this. But again, do whatever works for you. This is very subjective in my opinion. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and new way, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.